Okay, hello guys. Okay, today I show you how to install the file to do uh, invitation automatically. Okay, without any click. You can just click only once and you will invite all your audience to like your page. Okay, let's go to the task. Okay, then first you have to open your Chrome. Okay, open to Chrome and then you click on the right side with the three dot here. You see this one. Okay, and then you go to the word more tool here. Okay, more tool, and then you select the word extensions. Okay, extension here. After you click it, you will see this layout, and then you go to here at the left side. Okay, you will see the word extension. Okay, you click on that, and then you go down to the bottom. You will see the word Open Chrome Web Store. Okay, Open Chrome Web Store. You click it, and then you will it will go to another browser like this one, and then you will see like this, and you go to search the store and you type the word invite post liker. Okay, invite post liker like this, and then you click enter. After that you will see, okay, here the file. Okay, we have they have three. Okay, but I suggest you to click on invite post liker on Facebook 2021 because now 21. Okay, it will be update. Okay, from year to year. Okay, you click on it, and then you just see this screen, and ignore this one. Just go to here the word add to Chrome. Okay, word add to Chrome like this, and then you click more on add extension. Okay, it's checking right now. Okay, like right now here, when you see the word remove from Chrome, it means that your program have extended already. Okay, you click cross it. Okay, and you can go, if you don't see it on your Chrome, you can click on here the word extension. You don't see this one. Okay, and you see this invite post liker on Facebook, and then you can make it blue to pin it, and then you can see this one. Okay, let back to the page how to do it. Okay, example, I have my page. This is my page, and on this my post here is 109 likes. Okay, I want this like, they like post, not like page, they like post, so I want them to like my page, so I can invite them to like my page. But if you don't do through automatically, you will spend time to click one by one until the end. Okay, that's why it's may waste time, spend time more, so you can do just open this one and you click on invite post liker on for Facebook. Click on it. Okay, click on it like this. Okay, one more time, click 2 times maybe. Okay, like this one. Yeah, now it's, you see the word stop it, but you not stop it because now it's running. See, inviting everyone on the list here, amen, and the limit is 490. So, and but it doesn't matter if the list, the member in the list not 400. Here only 100, around 100, so it will run automatically until all. Okay, so you see the words reaction scan. So now it's 14 already and invited 13 already. Okay, so and while you scanning it, you cannot close this browser and you cannot do anything else. You just stay on it until it run finish. So but I just want to wait until the end, so I just stop it right now because of time. When you stop it, you will see one more show like this, so just ignore it, just close it, and that it's done. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you everyone for like and share, especially for those who come. Please don't forget to come give me some comment if you don't have any question, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.